Welcome to the demo of video over NR using Simnovus UE simulator. Let's start by specifying band, bandwidth, RFCN, and antennas depending on the RAN configuration. Specify the number of UEs and provide USIM information like IMSI, K, OP or OPC, VoNR support and other UE information. Configure the data type as VoNR or ViNR and call type as video. Configure the PCSCFIP, APN name, call delay, and call duration. Configure audio and video codec. Specify attach type and power on duration. Run the test case. Verify that the UEs are NAS registered. Check the NAS and SIP logs to verify the video call. UE sends a PDU session establishment request to connect to IMS APN. UE receives the PDU session establishment except for the IMS with 5QI is 5, which is used for SIP exchange. UE sends a SIP invite message with audio and video information along with codec. UE receives the PDU session modification command with 5QI is 1 for audio. UE receives another PDU session modification command with 5QI is 2 for video. The video call is established, and the transfer of video information happens between the UEs until the terminating UE sends a by SIP message. Once the by message is sent, the network sends a PDU session modification command message to delete the QoS flow for audio and video. The PDU session for IMS APN would be released. We can see the SIP message counter from the Message Counter tab. We can see the message count for each SIP message like register, invite, and buy. From the UE stats, we can see the IP address of UEs. The quality of the call can be determined by the mean opinion score once the call has ended along with other RTP stats shown. In this way one can verify ViNR calls using the Simnovus UE simulator.